Yo, today I am talking about the 5 systems that you need to have in place for your content to actually convert views into cash. We're talking about turning audiences into actual paying customers for whatever your offer is. Let's say you have a coaching service. Let's say it's more of a mentorship type thing or a digital product. Yeah, today we're talking about the 5 systems to have in place so that when your content starts to pick up and get views and you build an audience, you're actually converting those views and you're actually converting that audience into sales and revenue for the business that you're running on the back end. So at number 1, we have appointment setting and DM automations. So when you start posting content, you're going to have a flow of leads coming in. When I say leads, I mean anyone that follows you, comments on a video, likes a video, or DMs you. So these are all leads. And you're not going to have the time in your day to go DM potentially thousands of people and check in with them, see what they're here for, right? See if they're here to buy or are they just here because they like the content. You're not going to have time to do that. So what you need to do is have 2 things. An appointment setter that's trained and can manage all of that for you to start converting leads, getting calls booked, taking them to the website, to the newsletter, whatever it is in your funnel, right? Sending them down the funnel is what they're doing. Also, what's helpful is having DM automations. And so something like ManyChat, Go High Level, LinkedIn, these are all things that can send automations. An example is someone comments a keyword on your video, it automatically sends them a DM, sending them whatever you talked about in your video. But at the same time, simultaneously, you just got a lead in your DMs for your appointment setter to then go check up on, send follow-ups, and try to close them however that is for your business. There's layers to what these DM automations can do. You can tell people to DM you a keyword. You can put that in your bio, DM me keyword to get blank, right? And so these are just automations that people are going to send you things. You're going to get automated DMs, automated messaging, which helps a lot with lead flow and with conversions. So the next part of this is really digging into your funnel. So this is going to be most likely the second step of your funnel, and it's having either a calendar VSL, which means video sales letter, or a direction or a connection to a payment page. Once again, it depends what type of business you're running, what you're selling, digital product or more of a service, but your leads have to have some sort of way to get to that next step. And so they can be sent there through DMs, through the appointment center, like I said, through automations. The link can go in your bio. And I suggest make story posts. Once a week, make story posts and promote this link, right? You want to send leads here because you're either making a sale here, getting a call booked, getting an email, something like that. So basically, in summary, your audience has to see that. Number 3 is case studies on demand. So when you're growing on social media, when you're building a personal brand or you're building a following around your business, say that's how it's being branded, you need case studies. You need to show them. Whether you make a highlights page for testimonial/case studies, or you implement them into your ads, or you implement them into your organic videos. People need to see this because you got to understand that a select percentage of your audience is actually interested in what you offer. It serves as a social proof that you're not only talking about stuff, but you actually are doing it on the back end, right? And there's transactional side of what you're doing, and this is your proof of it. So they need to see it. The next thing is having ads in place. So at number 4 is having retargeting ads and top of funnel ads. So what this means is that your audience is going to be built up and then Meta is going to collect data for you. And so when you go to run ads, you can select the data that is inbound data, right? It's people that follow you, have liked, have engaged, have seen your content. So when you run retargeting ads, you're basically retargeting that data of people that have already seen you. And so these are very powerful. So setting up some retargeting ads, running those, and also top of funnel ads. These are more so things that you are running to reach new people to go to your top of funnel and see whatever link you need them to see. So these are very important. And of course, be more salesy because this is a paid ad. Coming in last at number 5, we have building a team. So like any aspect of a business, content is a crucial part of it. If you build it to that stage where it's actually getting you leads, content can be the number 1 source of business and sales for whatever you're running. So when it comes to building a content team and actually scaling, you're going to need a few things, and you're going to need, basically, to summarize it, people to help make the process easier, and people to help with consistency, and people to also help with control, and people to also help with quality. So these are things like editor, appointment setter, like I said, account manager, things like that is really going to help, because doing it all alone at high scale can be hard. Doing it by yourself in the beginning, it can be easy, but when you get to that scale and you have so many leads coming in and there's only so much time you can spend creating the content yourself, you might want to outsource, build a team around it, and make sure that they're going to crush it. And yeah, that just about sums it up. So I will leave links in the description to the tools that you can use, the ones that I mentioned. I'll also leave a calendar link. So if you have a personal brand or business that you think can benefit from social media content creation and marketing, then go ahead and book a free consultation. Find out if you are a good fit to work with us one-on-one to scale your brand on social media and get you overall more lead flow and clientele brought straight to you, done for you. Then yeah, I'll link that below. Check it out. And that is it. Thanks for watching.